This 3D print is of the sloth that MatMire Makes had designed. I printed this at 75% of its size, and it took 7 hours and 45 minutes for me to print this on a raft. Originally, I was printing it, and this one leg pulled off, so I figured I'm just going to not mess with it and print it on a raft. So we'll get it off the raft. The sloth is designed to hang from a tree, which is also included with the print. So there's my raft. This will need a little bit of cleanup. When Matt does the designs, he puts a little bit of a brim on certain parts. I do have some stringing going on here. I'll clean that up also. But you can see the joints. Oh, that's multiple joints on that one. So it twists and turns and goes multiple angles. Get the legs in the back. There we go, freed up. I think the problem I had with the toe coming off was I didn't wipe the bed down before I did the print, so it's probably dusty. So there we have the sloth. He'll hang. No, that's not going to show anything. When I get the tree printed, he'll hang from the tree. I think his legs are all cattywampus at this point. So there we have a sloth that'll be hanging, designed to hang with the different claws. The tree that came along with the sloth just completed. It took 7.5 hours. 7 hours and 35 minutes actually, so a little bit more. They've got, as part of the design, one where it's one piece you could print and get everything. This particular one is the pieces that you put together. It was recommended by the designer to do the piece, the one where you put the pieces separate, so that it would turn out a little better. I'm not sure which goes where. I guess it could go like that. Can it go like this? Nope. This one goes in the top. This one will go here. Like that. It goes like that. I got a little bit of stringing going on here. And then, so that's the tree. And then there's a way to have the sloth actually hang from the tree. You could have them connect up on different spots. And that worked real well. But at any rate, you get the idea. I got them all twisted funny and doing silly things. So there we have the sloth balancing rather than hanging on the tree limb.